What is up, everybody? Joe Everest, the fence expert. If you've watched the channel for any length of time, then you've seen several reaction videos and a product demonstration video on how to remove or maybe how not to remove fence posts. The folks over at Quik saw those videos and they wanted to share with you their product. Now, I've seen this product used on other fencing guys' social media profiles. I've seen it work. It's quick and easy, it's simple, so I think you guys are gonna love it. But that being said, I wanna show you exactly how it works. It's pretty straightforward. All right, guys, it's a pretty straightforward process. I mean, it's a tripod. We're gonna get as close to the post as we can. We've already got the chain wrapped on the post. Now, the cleats on the legs, make sure it's not gonna move around. We're just gonna try to center it on the post, just get it close. Now, the nice thing is your lever base here rotates, so it doesn't have to be exactly oriented exactly right. The lever end of it just sits in this cradle. We'll take the chain and feed it through. And then you can adjust this depending on how much leverage you want. We'll bring it up tight, lock it in place. All right, so we've got the chain in place, we've got the chain locked in. From here on out, it's really just simple leverage. Now we can adjust the chain, we can tighten it from here as this post is coming up. We just continue to take slack out of the chain, work its way up. At this point, it's ready. We can break up the concrete, deposit it back in the hole. We can manhandle this thing all together out. Choice is really ours, but in terms of quickness, ease of use, this tool has my vote. Now, one thing we were talking about off camera is that the footprint on this is pretty compact, meaning we can get it into a pretty small area where, you know, we could bring equipment in here, but it's one post. We're not trying to do a lot of work here. We're trying to just replace this post, replace these two sections, and then keep it moving. So don't need to bring big equipment in, but also the footprint on the feet is wide enough to where even, I mean, this has a decent amount of concrete around it. It still didn't impede bringing that up. If you guys watched the product demonstration we did earlier, that was kind of one of the main restrictions on that piece of equipment, was that if your concrete footer was too large, it wouldn't fit inside the mouth of that. I mean, this is pretty straightforward. There's not a lot to break here. There's no shear pins. It's chain and simple leverage, so you can't go wrong. I also feel really good about just throwing this in the back of any one of our work trucks, leaving it there, not worrying about regular maintenance and upkeep, that sort of thing. I'm sure the YouTube safety squad is already in the comments. I probably should have wore eye protection. I probably should have you use your own discretion on how you feel most safe operating a piece of equipment like this. But like I said, people over at Quik, they sent us this. This isn't a paid review. I don't benefit financially from it, but I do think it's a nice piece of equipment. I think you guys should look into it if you're looking at removing posts somewhat consistently. For now, Joe Everest, fence expert, reminding you that good fences make good neighbors, and I'll see you next time.